Hello everyone. So I just wanted to do a quick video today on these AirPods that I got it from Alibaba, and I did a unboxing video on this AirPods, and someone commented on and wanted to see the speakers on it. So I'm here to show the speakers. So I'm going to take the air tips out. Okay, I think you can just pull it out, squeeze and pull. Slippery. There you go. So here you go, this is the speaker right here, and I'm just gonna show you on the one earbud. Okay, so this is the speaker. It's pretty big and looks like there is a little locking groove or knots. I don't know if you can see right there. I think the authentic Apple, you have that too, to lock the air tips in. So yeah, this is the speaker. It looks pretty big and it's playing the music. I have it connected to my phone, so it's playing the music. Let's see if I can take this one off. It's pretty slippery. There you go. And this is another one. Okay, so pretty good speaker, looks good. And let me just show you around the earbud. It's a little rough here. I don't know if you can see it right there. All right, here you go. All right, so actually let's see if we can replace the ear tips. Here are the extra ear tips that came with earbuds. Again, this I got it from Alibaba. I think we may not be able to replace this. I think this is, they send it just to send it. What I'm trying to say is, I think it's different. I don't think it's gonna fit it. Look, the shape and the size of the circle is different. So see, this one is just a regular ear tips, looks like. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit. If you have anyone knows the way around, let me know by commenting below. So it's not gonna fit. I hope I showed you what you wanted to see, and this is it. This is the speaker and the extra air tips. Extra pairs of air tips are west now. I didn't know that. I didn't even check it before. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I showed you what you wanted to see again. And thank you for your support. Thank you very much. Bye bye.